they're just chill. Oh, got one kill. Oh, two in a row? Okay, good now. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, good. Where they all go? Wait, that's my team. Where's the enemy? Where's the enemy at? I'm ready for you. Sky Castle. Okay. Okay, look at this, bro. They all play. I don't know. Blue? Yeah, I'm gonna do blue. Bro, behind the back. Isn't it the guy who I mixed with? Now you can train. Yeah, snipe shot. Yeah. There's a yeah. Stab. Yeah, this. Oh, dang it. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna come back. Yeah. I'm back. Yeah. That was me, bro. It'll show in the screen. Yeah. You ugly. Can't just stand there. Oh, dang it. Bro, I never could jump there. I just need one more kill. I'm gonna get it. You know what? I don't actually like it. Second place then. On that third place. Yeah. Where you at? That just be sniping. Yay! Blue wins! Even though I'm third place, but blue still win. You scare me. You jump scare. I'm the leader. I'm gonna leave the team. Yes, yes. Bro, our flag got taken. Our flag got taken. No, you better watch out. Yes. You're not getting it. Our flag got taken again, bro. What are we doing? Okay. Oh my gosh. I stole the team. I got luck in it now. Come on, I'm just gonna use it.
You?
Gosh, just let me have it, bro. Please.
No.
Please. Pretty, please.
I'm going.
Please bait me. See? But we're still the leader anyways.
Still. Just in the shop.
Okay.
Stop.
What's up? Nice pad.
Stop.
Yeah.
That was the other girl.
I don't care.
Well,
I thought we won.
no, it's about to take the flag.
Oh,
I'm going to the pro one.
okay, go.
Why? Because I left and I went to the pro one. Oh, they have a server named Pro. You don't have Pro in here.
Yeah. Try to trick me. The best sniper. Why you mistake me? Slick. Yeah, it's slick.
Yeah, they're crazy. I got this from you.
Bro, don't give up like that.
Oh, they're crazy. I said,
Whoa. Bro, you're annoying right now, girl. Stop hiding, bro.
I'm choosing.
Yeah, I don't know. Dang it.
Join Pro server. You mind my phone? Don't stop.
I aim it, bro. What are you talking about? When you first start.
They do.
Oh, where's the flag? Bro!
And you're not.
stuff. Where's stuff? Okay.
You're not getting. You're not getting.
I don't care. I'm getting a flag.
I saw you from all the way.
You stop?
Em ai luôn đó không có được lên.
Can you actually stop? Oh my god.
Well, I saw you.
Reasonable cash out, bro. Literally like a second away from it.
Out in my territory, and
Okay,
I
go,
said
bro. Go, bro.
in your
I got you, bro.
territory.
I got you. I got you, bro.
I saw you from the.
Yo, back
What
up.
territory is it?
We captured enemy flag. Let's go. My turn. Please. Please. Sup? Oh boy. Yeah, that's what you get.
Yeah, fucking motherfucker! I kicked you and someone killed me.
I'm fucking I've been taking. I don't care.
I'll strike. You, bro. Like you, tell the parents.
Yeah, thank you. I was gonna hit you.
Yeah, you think that's fine. Stop.
Oh, yeah, almost.
Stop. Stop.
Nice one, though. Nice one.
Thanks. Ooh. So
Yo. Yo, come on.
I literally jumped and spammed up and stopped you, bro.
Oh! My team locking in now. Y'all be doing too much. Like, y'all be actually doing too much.
Double jump, triple jump, boom.
This not gonna fry. About to say. Dang, bro got exploded.
Bro, he's good. You got a good team and I got try to and I'm about to double jump. What the? I think that.
Ooh, what kind of... You gotta be on your team, bro. You gotta support your team. I just leave your team like that. You stop following me? You just... Oh my gosh.
Because I just crap.
Just how that's what your team like you.
My team is bad.
Including you. Nice shot.
But I told you. You fuck. Some guy just popped up.
What is...
Dot.
Why is she targeting me? Yeah, get exploded, buddy.
Oh, I dropped the flag.
Hi, bro.
I got the skyboard flag.
Thought you could.
Oh, they were guarding.
We go. Trying to get it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get it. Where's she go?
Oh, guys.
Yo, did he just tell me?
Hurry up, hurry up. I got you. I got you.
Nice, nice, nice.
Come on.
He got the balloon too, dude.
No, he killed me now. I this but I can't guard you.
Of course you can.
What the damn friend? Oh, see?
What is he doing? Get the flag! Oh my. Okay, protect me. Protect me.
Yeah,
Protect me!
die, you big fuck.
Cause you can't survive. You just can't.
Diddy. I swear to God.
That's just gonna get shot anyways. Alright, go, brother.
Oh,
Brother, if you get shot, brother. Ah. Me. It's me. I'm the champion. I'm the champion, Chad. I'm telling y'all, I'm the champion.
no cap. I'm
Yes.
cap.
Yes. So I'm just like that, bro. I built like that.
No cap. Why you grab it?
I got it.
I got it.
Let's go. They're trying to go a different way. What am I doing? Alright.
You.
Wait, I could get this. Yo, that's crazy.
That's tough, bro.
That's tough.
Why you following me, yeah? Why you following me?
See what I got, chat. Let's see what I got, chat.
Ding dong.
What is that?
That's ding dong.
Flat that knife. Crazy. That's
No,
tough.
don't call it
That's amazing. That's tough.
Watch out.
We're winning. Yes.
Third place.
Ah. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching. This is me playing so this is me playing Sharp in Roblox, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want me to play any other game, you can tell me. Okay, thank you.